sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
Our last day here at this beautiful hotel. Shoulder shot. Look now. Oh, piss me off. Look, now the sun wants to come out. Yesterday morning, I woke up early as heck to see the sunrise. There's no sunrise. Now, today's the sunrise. Look how beautiful it looks. Like, y'all see? Look how gorgeous it looks. Over here is gorgeous too. Oh, I'm gonna miss this view. Goodbye, beautiful room. Outfit of the day: Converse with gray socks, skirt, Jujutsu Kaisen t-shirt, orange cardigan, duffel bags, tote bags and tote bags. And I don't know if you can see, but I have hair clips in the back of my head. It's pretty. My husband is just wearing a white tee, Colombian sweater, navy blue, khakis and Nikes. And now we is gonna check out.
Okay, Victor to sunshine. Shadow and the tree body Gino. Shadow and Gino. Shadow and Gino. Okay, Victor to sunshine. Shadow. Sunshine and Gino. The tree body Gino. Shadow and Gino. Ben Gino. Victor to sunshine. Ben Gino. Victor to sunshine. The tree body Gino.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
Let's go.
I wanna spend the night at hers, and bring her one of my t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume.
Push it in.
Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
The hotel was so fun. Would I do it again? Yeah. Would you do it again?
No.
Really?
Yes. That's fun.
Yeah, I had fun. It was a good experience. It was a very good experience. Everything was walking distance, and we basically walked all over downtown Minneapolis. We just didn't go to the bar section because we didn't want to drink, you know. But anyways, other than that, it was very fun. I recommend you guys to go sleeping wherever you live at in downtown with the beautiful views, or wherever has beautiful tall buildings and everything's walking distance. Y'all should do it.
I'll show you. This is your last surprise of the day.
This is my last surprise of the day, you guys.
Of the week. Of the week.
I'm scared.
I mean, of the
birthday.
Birthday. Hold on, let me back. I need to go look for it.
You guys, he really spoiled me for this birthday. But it's okay because I've been spoiling and planning things for the past 7 years, so this makes up for it. Because okay? So, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what to expect, but I'm scared and I don't want to look. But he said I can't bring my camera with me, and I don't know what to do because I want to bring my camera, I want to vlog, but I can't. So I'll be using.
Here you go.
This is mine.
I know. We're going to the game. Stupid.
No, we're not.
Yeah, that's mine. I know it's yours. I brought it.
How are you gonna call me stupid?
Yeah, we're going to the game, man. At 12. That's why we got to go. 39.
We're going to the game.
Yeah. You dummy. That's why I was like,
Don't call me stupid,
that's
stupid.
why we got to go because it's already 9:10. Because we can start getting in at 10, 11.
Yeah. Ay, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke. If what's an ass? Says she is a gorgeous. Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, I came in. Did it like the Porsches coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, yeah. Flex. Wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10, 10, 10, yeah. Baby, you so fine, baby, you so fine.